Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download a support file from any of our inverters that have a pilot card, such as the Gen 24, Toro, or Verto. Our team will sometimes request this file to help with troubleshooting. The first step is to access the inverter's web user interface. And there's two ways that you can do this. The first way is by connecting a smart device to the inverter's Wi-Fi access point, or if the inverter is online, you can access it remotely using the remote configuration function. And we've put in two videos in the description below that'll show you both of these methods. Once in the web UI, navigate to System, then Support. The customer password is required for this section. Click on Generate Support Info, and the file will take approximately 5 minutes to generate. Once it's ready, click on it to download it. Then send it to your installer or directly to Fronius tech support, depending on who requested it. And that's it. Now you know how to download a support file from any of our inverters that have a pilot card. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.